Okay, so this is my GrabHitch. 上去啊，拿上去啊。OK。哇，有点重啊，这个拿上去。啊？OK， 没有办法。
这就好了。
OK， 放在这边哦。
门可以关吗？
啊，
可以啊。
OK， 要放上一点啊。
OK。
OK， 可以。可以。哇，这个是我最大辆的 GrabHitch。啊，没有事，没有事。OK， 啊 ，OK， 没事没事。Okay, that was literally my GrabHitch, guys. So I was expecting a Toyota Corolla to come out, but it turned out to be a Grab coach, 45-seater Grab coach. Well, definitely a bit of inconvenience lah, because I got to cycle a bit to reach my block, but it's definitely a memorable experience. Alright guys, I mean, look at the battery. The motor is still running, but at a very low speed, 7 kilometers per hour. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!